As you step in, you're greeted by these two private elevators, a video door phone as well, and a biometrics lock as well, setting the tone for secure high-end living just at the entrance. Now, as we step in, you have a huge foyer space here to put your console or shoe rack, whatever you want to. Now take a deep breath. What lies inside is truly something very special. This is your dining area, open and inviting, designed with a beautiful blend of Indian design roots and modern sensibilities. From textures to tone, every detail feels just right. This home is fully automated. Let's check this. Alexa, can you switch on all the lights? You can see it's that effortless luxury with intelligence. And here is the living area, a warm and soft space for your conversations and quiet evenings. You will notice the international grade marble flooring, cool underfoot and elegant all around. And look at these chandeliers looking just wow here. I mean, I'm just loving the space, how it is placed. Everything is so well placed and I have ample space to walk around. And here comes the best part of the house. This is the family lounge you have. And you can say this as a Brahmsthan of this house. You're getting this cozy 3-seater sofa right here, perfect for your conversations. And behind me you have this beautifully done backlit display unit for the decor or books, and the whole area just feels calm, open and so welcoming. So this is the space. You can make your 4 BHK into 4.5 BHK, a space to relax, connect or simply unwind. Now look at this aluminium sliding doors we have. These are UV protected and help block out external noise. And now welcome to your 8-foot wide sun deck. The views are just breathtaking. 270-degree panoramic views of the Aravalli Hills from your expansive decks. This level of convenience is privacy is truly a rarity developed by any builder. And here you will find this cute powder room we have. Beautifully designed, just perfect for your guests and everyday living. And now let me show you the beautiful kitchen of the house, a beautifully planned and well equipped, fully equipped kitchen. It comes with a built-in refrigerator, hob, chimney, oven, PU coated cabinets, dishwasher and wet and dry section. It's practical, it's premium and it's ready for your real life cooking. And now the utility balcony is here. You have this entrance of your another room we have. You can make it as your game room, your kids play room, your guest bedroom, your helpers room as well, your storage with dresser, your home office. And we have this washroom also attached with this, a very spacious room with an ensuite washroom. And now let me show you the bedrooms of this house. This is the first bedroom of this house. A beautifully designed rooms with a lot of space here, and we are giving you these wooden floorings, the VRV AC and the wardrobe areas. The wardrobe areas are also very spacious. You can see here. These are the wardrobes we are giving with ample space and an ensuite washroom with this shower partition. We have the collar fittings here and these mirror detailings here. And we have a 6-foot balcony attached with this room for natural light and air. So this is a place to grow and thrive. And right next to it, we have our second bedroom. Now look at this mirror detailing. This is looking just wow. We have this storage space here. We have this wardrobe area here. We have 2 wardrobes area. One is here and other is here as well. So we have ample space for your storage. And we have this ensuite washroom. We have this mirror detailing here. We have the marble flooring here and the shower partition with collar fittings. Everything is so well planned. We have very beautifully designed room and we have ample space. Even a sofa is placed here, a bed is placed, we have these console and a dressing also is placed here. Still you have a lot of space, and we have these wooden floorings in this. We have these mesh doors also, and we have a 6-foot wide balcony attached in this room as well, your private deck. And now here comes the heart of the home, this master bedroom. Just a wow. And it's grand yet calming, designed with muted tones and subtle luxury. From this Indian style bed with a minimal console and a soft seating space with this Juliet balcony, we have everything here is so balanced. So we have this dressing area here. We have these cute little things placed here. Look at this binocular, this cute little calculator, and right next to the sliding door we have this beautifully attached balcony, a 6-foot wide balcony, quite green and spacious for your morning cup of tea. Here comes the best part of this master bedroom. We have this walk-in wardrobe space. A lot of spaces here for your wardrobes, for your storage, and this beautifully designed master washroom. We have this dual wash basins here. Look at this big mirror, this Italian marble flooring and international grade collar fittings we have, and this shower partition. And here comes the best part of this master washroom. We have this open range shower, a rare indulgence of nature and design together in the most refreshing way. And here we have another bedroom of this house, the 4th bedroom. We have this beautifully designed 4th bedroom with these wooden floorings. We have a lot of space here as well, and the wardrobes here, you can see we have ample space for your storage. These wardrobes will be as it is given in this apartment, and we have this ensuite washroom here with all the international brand collar fittings and this shower partition, these mirror detailings, these fixtures and fittings, everything will be same. And look at this beautiful console, and we have this Juliet balcony here. You also get customizable interiors from finishes to color palettes. It's all designed around your preferences. The layout is Vastu compliant and the apartment is shaped in a perfect square, believed to be ideal for harmony and positive energy. This is not just a sample flat, it's a window into the life you could live. At Tak Ishwa, luxury does not scream. It flows quite complete and confident. Come feel it for yourself.